It's your favorite cousin again, and I'm going nuts in lockdown. Hiya, Huns. Your favorite cousin is going nuts during all this social distancing, and not because I miss people. I'm going nuts because I can't get away from them. My one neighbor, who has a crush on me, decided to start serenading me outside of my window. He stands out there at least 5 times a day and sings,
"Feelings, nothing more than feelings."
It's kind of sweet, but it's also kind of mental, and he's also wasting his time because it is never going to happen between us. I tried telling him that, but he just doesn't stop.
Gave my heart, I gave my soul, honey.
I'm about ready to throw a shoe at him, but I'm afraid he would just keep my Jimmy Choo and keep right on singing. As if that wasn't enough, my daddy is also going nuts staying at home. And he learned how to FaceTime, so now he's ringing me about 25 times a day. I don't know what he expects me to do about it. I tried sending him some puzzles, but he's too busy ranting to even open the boxes. For the first time, I kind of wish my stepmommy wasn't serving time so that she could distract him. I've had a couple of Zoom dates, but it's just not the same when you have to buy your own dinner and wine, so I may just wait until this is all over to start dating again. Speaking of dinner and wine, I made a great new dessert. To make it, all you do is start making a box of orange jell-o like you would. Then, after you've added the boiling water, you put it in the refrigerator for a half hour or so to let it cool a little bit. Then, you add 4 ounces of dry red wine. I've got to say, it really improves the jell-o. I'm taking questions, and Suze has one for me. Cousin Glendora, have you ever considered going platinum blonde? Suze, that is a great question. I actually did go platinum blonde once after I was told that blondes have more fun. However, everyone kept telling me that I should smile more, and it was really getting on my nerves, so I went back to my natural color. I just wasn't meant to be blonde. Daniel asks, how do you deal with family members that stress you out during group video conferencing? Daniel, as you probably guessed from me dealing with my daddy, I feel your pain. My new strategy for Zoom meetups and FaceTimes is going to be to pretend that my batteries are about to die. Anytime someone starts stressing me out or getting on my nerves, I'm going to say, oops, my battery's about to die, toodles, and then hang up or exit the meeting. Mike would like to know, it is well known that Francia Merlot is your go-to beverage, but what is your backup, just heaven forbid, in case it's unavailable? And do you prefer the 3 or 5 liter box? Mike, I have had to deal with this issue in the past when every store in my town was out of my Merlot. In that case, I will make do with a Malbec or Shiraz because any dry red is better than none. And I prefer the 5 liter box. Ray asks, Cousin Glendora, do you prefer the Cure or the Velvet Underground? Ray, I love all kinds of music, and I've been told that I have a very unique singing voice. In this case, I prefer the Cure, but Velvet Underground is good too. So anyway, that's it. You take care of yourself and stay healthy. They'll be back on Thursday with another Liquored Up Live broadcast, but don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.
Feelings, nothing more than feelings. Trying to forget my